GoTo Resolve is an IT ticket management software designed to simplify and streamline support requests. But how exactly does it stack up when compared to the needs of businesses looking to manage and resolve tickets effectively? Stick around as we dive into its features and reveal some surprising insights about its performance. First, let's talk about the core of GoTo Resolve, ticket creation and management. GoTo Resolve makes it easy for users to submit tickets via email, a web portal, or even automatically when certain IT problems occur. This means you can capture issues immediately, no matter the source. However, while the system is user-friendly, some users report that the initial setup for custom workflows and integrations can be time-consuming. It's not always the most intuitive for those new to ticket management, and that could be a potential hiccup for smaller teams or those with limited IT resources. Next thing, automated responses. GoTo Resolve does a decent job with its automated alerts and status updates, keeping users informed on the progress of their tickets. It's designed to improve efficiency by reducing the need for manual follow-ups. But there's a catch. These automated features aren't as customizable as some might need, and that could mean a more one-size-fits-all approach rather than tailored solutions. While it works for many, larger teams with more complex needs may find themselves looking for more flexibility. The third thing is reporting and analytics. GoTo Resolve includes reporting features that allow you to track ticket resolution times, monitor team performance, and even identify recurring IT issues. However, the analytics can feel a bit basic compared to competitors. If you need deep insights into root causes or predictive trends, you might not get the level of detail that other ticket management tools offer. For those seeking more granular control over data analysis, GoTo Resolve might fall short. Next up, integrations. GoTo Resolve supports integrations with some commonly used platforms like Active Directory and Google Workspace, making it somewhat adaptable for IT teams already using these services. But when it comes to connecting with other specialized software or tools, GoTo Resolve isn't as seamless as some of its competitors, requiring additional workarounds or third-party solutions to get the job done. The fifth thing is scalability. As businesses grow, their IT needs evolve, and so does their ticket management system. GoTo Resolve does offer scalability, but it's not as robust as some other platforms that cater specifically to large organizations. If your company plans to scale quickly, you might hit a wall in terms of advanced features and performance as you grow. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While GoTo Resolve is a solid option, there are other ticket management solutions that may better suit your needs, especially if you're looking for more advanced features or flexibility. For instance, some competitors offer more sophisticated workflows, better automation, or deeper integrations with other enterprise tools. These could be game changers, depending on your organization's size and complexity. Finally, you've made it to the best part. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that combines great ticket management with excellent scalability, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Check out the link in the description, and you'll get access to a free trial of GoTo Resolve, along with some powerful alternatives that could be a better fit for your goals. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you'll be able to test out the best options before making a decision. Remember, through our link, you get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so don't miss out.